Hello everyone, this is David from the Lode community. We're here at Anarchapulco, and we've got Dan and Jag from the Blockchain Foundry. We've had the soft launch of AGX this week, and a lot of other things. Can you guys actually speak to what we've been doing?
Yeah, so we've been here helping to roll out the soft launch of AGX. David and his team built an awesome app for it, and we helped with the blockchain components for it. Right now AGX is running on a test net, and so it's a real token, but people don't have any value at risk if there are any issues that come up. And what we've seen in leveraging the ZDAG tech, both at places like the coffee shop, selling beers, selling shirts, is that it works exactly as designed. I mean, we're seeing transactions in 10 seconds or less. People are able to buy coffee without holding up lines, and the application is very easy to use too.
I can concur with that. Seeing the people at the t-shirt, they were very excited about, one, us putting some AGX on their phone, and then actually seeing that it was very, very quickly able to actually transfer onto
and it was great. I mean, even when we were selling coffees, people wanted to buy so many things with their AGX that they were trying to buy shirts from us in the coffee shop. We were like, you got to go back to the booth for that. But it was good to see the enthusiasm.
Yeah, the enthusiasm was so great that sometimes they were like, how do I get more?
Right.
You're only getting 10.
It's coming.
It is coming.
Yeah, and so, I mean, I think that some of the key takeaways from the soft launch are ways we can improve the experience, things we can make faster and easier, certain phones that the app behaves differently on, and that's what a soft launch is for. It's to weed out those types of things, and so we can iterate and improve. And so when you roll out the main product, there aren't those types of challenges.
Right, we go back to the lab and iterate and improve now.
That's right.
So as soon as we get to Vancouver, we've take everything we learned and we're going to apply it and come out better in our next iteration. So,
which is good because the enthusiasm here was great.
Yeah.
People are very anxious to actually see this in the ATM that you guys have been working on, as well as being at POS and tap cards and elsewhere. So.
And it's cool seeing people from the silver community just as excited about this as people from the crypto community, which I don't know of any other products that bridge those two demographics.
Yeah, it was cool that way. A lot of people were very savvy, and they still were kind of shocked at how fast it was. Because they expect 10, 1 hour, whatever the time frame is, to actually commit to the blockchain.
Right. Even non-technical people were able to use the app very easily. And that's the key with this kind of thing.
And it was a great show. Is there anything else you guys want to add to
this? The cool thing for me was seeing how the silver and the gold stackers appreciated the fact that we're bridging the gap between crypto and the other side of silver and gold. So the previous generations didn't really have the appreciation for crypto, but now they can start to see the appreciation by creating this better form of money, and it's empowering for me to see that people are using the tech that we built and they're doing it in a way that they're happy with, and they're not encumbered with long wait times or high fees, and that enforces what we're doing with Syscoin 4 and AGX, and it's going to help us push forward faster, stronger, and farther than ever.
It's probably going to bring us in 500 new members as well, and that's a pretty phenomenal number for 5 days at a conference. So.
Well, and this kind of thing is really beneficial to Syscoin too, because AGX and Lode are tokens on the Syscoin platform, and even while we've been here, Jag has made improvements to Syscoin 4, which is forthcoming, that other cryptocurrency platforms like Dash may benefit from as well. And so, seeing the level of use that we're seeing here of a real token has surfaced some of these other sorts of discoveries that we've been able to then leverage improvements on within the core itself.
So one step closer to AGX in the wild.
That's right, right. And it's going to be even better when it happens.
And to that point, I think we got to get back to work. So I want to thank both of you guys, and we got to get back into mode here and bring.
All right, shout out to the Syscoin community.
Thank you, everyone. Lode. See you next time.